Hello and welcome to Alla Lighting. Today we will show you how to install your new Alla LEDs to replace your old stock OEM bulbs. The tools you need is a regular screwdriver. The first step is to remove the two bolts holding the tail light in place. Using the screwdriver, remove the bolts and place them off to the side. Grab the end of the bulb and twist it counterclockwise to release the bulb. Pull it out of the housing, then pinch the bulb to pop it out. Next we are going to install the new Alla LED back into the connector. Reinsert the bulb back into the housing, then twist it clockwise this time to lock it in place. Put the light back into the car and clip it into place. Wow, look at that difference in lighting. Look at how crisp and clean the LEDs make the tail light look. Insert the screws back and tighten them back into place as well. Take a look between the two. Our LEDs are superior than the old stock bulb. Let's repeat the install on the passenger side to complete the install. Whoa! Look at that brightness compared to the old halogen bulb. Our Alla LEDs are 2 to 5 times brighter than stock bulbs. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you again here at Alla Lighting.